Today, we're going to be installing some 5-character slimlines using our SL5 bracket onto an Audi S3. The first thing that you want to do is probably remove the old number plate. Then remove the old backing plate as well. And this is going to reveal the 2 OEM holes that you need to go into. This is one of the main reasons why you don't want to use a basic bracket. This is why you want to use a premium bracket, and make sure that it stands off the paint so you don't encounter scratching or marring. Once you get the bracket on, all you need to do is screw your number plate on. We do design all of our brackets to be compatible with Kingpin and Ultrex covers. So if you do have this black plate with a white border and you do want to cover it up, get yourself some Kingpin or Ultrex covers. There you go, guys. That's the cleanest way to get 5-character slimlines on the back of an Audi. Just remember to pick yourself up a bracket, step it off the paint, and they are compatible with Ultrex and Kingpin covers.